welcome you back to this beautiful story. Alright, guys. On the 51 yesterday, we eat from this very position there, down here, down to the very position. I know this is still going to consolidate. See what happened in the first shoulder. So this on weekly time frame. So we shouldn't be expecting it to just continue to fall. And see now, see what you have on a weekly time frame. We have a bullish engulf candle on weekly time frame. That means that this thing is still going to delay for a week or more. So for me, on the 51 SNS, I don't want to know how shoulder buy entry is. I saw this buy. If you go and check 4 hours, 1 hour time, I saw the buy, but I will never ever go against this double formation here. I saw this DB break pattern. Because I just said, okay, after this DB pattern, then the next thing is for it to reverse. So I was expecting the reverse for it to reverse around them. So see, it didn't reverse. I just have to leave it. And me still checking the weekly time. I see that this V51 is yet to give us the shoulder, the second shoulder that we want on the weekly time frame. We have the head already. We have the first shoulder already. So the second shoulder now is about to form. Right? Is about to form. So any shoulder I will be looking for will be around there. Will be at this very position there. At this very position there. So any other entries apart from sale, and God so good, see this imbalance there. I love that. I'm so very happy with that. I love that. That means I have confirmed something of my own strategy, that I know that once the 50 is ready to drop here, then we should just be continue to be looking for the sell entry, adding more sell entries once the 50 is ready. So if you are buying, be careful if you are buying this 51 SNS, because when it decides to fall, you won't be noticed. Let's say you made your entries before you sleep, and you forgot to put your lot size, your extra to your entry points. You'll be burned a lot on this. For those of you looking for buy entries, I advise you not to. This is a bullish economic candle, right? Is a buy, right? But see now, even this little tiny trend line is respecting it, but I don't care about that. I know price will still come around there. So that is where I'm expecting my entries. So any pattern I see, any little pattern that we made there, can you see the daily time frame now? So you guys checking the weekly time frame, it seems like okay, this thing is still going to be far. I mean the stop is short, or yeah, can you see that? And this thing now is looking like a bait. There's a bullish economic candle on daily time frame, and then there's a bullish economic candle on the weekly time frame. So we shouldn't be looking for sell for now. We shouldn't be looking for sell. So where I'm expecting that every sell still remain this very position there. And if I don't confirm, if I didn't see any sign of any pattern, I'm not going in. I'm not looking for buy entries. If I don't confirm any pattern, we are not going in. So it's as simple as that. So that is the update I have for every one of us. If you are looking for buy entries right now at this very top here, you only want to key your account, right? So the only thing that we should be waiting for now is a sell entry, unless this pattern fails. If this pattern fails, then I know that is Deriv. That is left to Deriv. And how do you know this pattern fail? This pattern is going to fail when price is above, when this very price coming around there. If price coming around there, that means that forget it has failed already. So the highest position I want is this price. I'm expecting this price to get to. It shouldn't pass this two level here, this two level here, you see this very place. Even when the price come here on this weekly time frame, it has to be a rejection. The body must still be under this first line. The price can come here, but later the body must come back here. That is at the end of the of this candle, of this weekly candle. It have to be a week like this very week here that will be on here if our top price want to get here. So guys, you can scalp your buy, you can continue to scalp, but don't think you will hold any buy at this very position for long. All right, so that is what I have for every one of us. Just, and if I can see any solid pattern here at this very position, you know, it's expressing the, you can see the candle is getting weaker, right? That one is getting weaker, but it might be a bit for seller. So unless I confirm a pattern here or here, we are not going in. All right, so that is what I have for every one of us. Let's just continue to wait. Sabali pays, it means patience, it pays a lot. Go and check V10 now. I will still update us on everything. V10 is paying hard now, and I will run a video where we'll be looking for our sell entries, right? You know, we have been buying it for like since on Saturday now, so we will surely look for where we will be looking. We already know where we will be looking for our sell entries, but we just have to know the exact time that stuff is going to sell, right? So guys, that's what I have for us. That's what I have for us. Let's just continue to grind with V10, and I gave a signal on V25 index. Is I've been thrown to the general group also. So let's just continue to wait on this bad boy here. You know, it's still going to pay us a lot. This month, next year, this guy is still going to pay us a lot. We don't have to rush. So guys, stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and share, and give me that like for me to give that sell position on V10. Throw in that likes on this very video for me to give you, or if I can see 30 to 50 likes on this, then I will surely give the sell position on V10. Later guys, enjoy.